Hey pumpkin people, I am back at Hobby Lobby seeing if they put out anything new for fall, and I'm actually at a different store this time, and so they have different things out, so I thought I would show you. Some things actually look new, just a couple things like this pumpkin, or maybe this isn't new, but I didn't see it last year. It has a leather tag. It's $24.99. And I'm gonna skip over anything that I've already shared just to keep this video short and sweet. I do remember these either from here or Kirkland's last year, and they are $9.99. They have the turkeys that say eat ham, and some scarecrows that are $21.99. The little wooden sign that says Happy Harvest. Those wooden pumpkins also come in this bluish green color and the white. They are all $9.99. And I guess this is just a box. $7.99. It doesn't even have a fall tag, so it's probably not part of the actual fall collection. This looks similar to something that we maybe saw last year, $21.99, which is so expensive, but this stuff will go on sale eventually, and it has the little beads. I like this color of orange. We have green and white. Also this marquee sign. This is $44.99, so $45. Also comes in the galvanized. We have these, what are these? These are boxes. They come in two sizes. $6.99. $7.99 for the medium. And $9.99 for the large. They just open like that. Put that back. So the whitewash pumpkin also comes in this taller size for $24.99. We have these signs that curve, if you can tell. Thankful. Let's see if I can get a price. It's $34.99. And it also comes in blessed. There's these bottles, and these look so similar to something that's at Dollar Tree that is obviously smaller. $9.99. Amber, orange, and green. Up here we have some truck yard stakes in blue and red. These are $34.99. And then this is a different scarecrow with a little apron or dress, $21.99. Over here they have all the same pillows, but a couple new ones. This neutral one for $34.99 with some gold detailing. And then this one is in gray tones and it has silver detailing, also $34.99. This is cool. This is a football doormat. The husbands will love this, and that is $24.99. This one says come on in and cozy up, $24.99.
What? These are for me.
Some buffalo check doormats. They had this one last time. It's just traditional brown. It says give thanks. $34.99. I do like this one. It has a leather look to it, which is interesting. I've never seen that before. Very unlike Hobby Lobby to do something we've never seen before, so maybe this is a good sign. $24.99. They also have it in the leaves And this is like memory foam. There are some things that I didn't see in my last video in this aisle too. So let's look at it all. These yard stakes are $3.99, the scarecrows. This one says Happy Fall Y'all with the little bow. I'm sure it's, yeah, $3.99. And then Harvest with glitter, $3.99 also. They also have these scarecrow planked signs for $40. We saw this dried stuff in the last video, but here's a better overlook. I do really like these. And then they have the bright red dried something. I'm hoping to see some neutral dried florals this year here. Disney garden flag with Mickey jumping into fall, $12.99. It's another pillow cover. Different one from the last one we saw. Always Be Thankful, $12.99. This is the one we saw the first time with the sunflowers, also $12.99. So they also have their birds out. There are 4 versions. This one is my favorite because it reminds me of like a little witch, and Hobby Lobby does not do Halloween decor. So that's one of the closest things we're gonna get to Halloween. Oh, and these are $11.99. Did I already say that? We have the one with the little hat. This one has a hat. I think I saw this one last year and said it would be good for Christmas. And the glasses, how cute. They have this pumpkin again, $19.99. And they have it with the dashes. So these are like triangles, and then these are dashes. Might as well just show you them together. Kind of wish they were different sizes. They would be a cute pair next to each other. They have the LED lights, which Dollar Tree always has those, and they're $9 here. Blessed for $12.99. It also comes in Thankful. And here's another pillow, Hey Pumpkin, reversible to buffalo check. And you just get one in here. We saw these picks for $1.99 in the last video. We also have this one, $3.99. And then the crow that says Harvest for $3.99. I feel like you can make that work for Halloween too. So we saw all of this. And the scent sachets, they have more ribbon out. This one says Thankful for $10.99. Buffalo check, I do like this one. It's like a brown and beige plaid. This one looks like candy corn, and they do have a wire edge. It says Rust Buffalo check. Ooh, yes, okay. These are velvet. They're not wire edge, they're $7.99. Love that color. I used that on my Christmas tree last year. But they have the burnt orange, kind of a minty teal color, and blue. Some plaid, basic. And then they have these sets. It says Play Ball and 'Tis the Season. $6.99. And just a couple more things that I didn't see in my last video, but I think are probably returning. So this is $8.99. It just says Happy Harvest. I think they all say that. And then these little trucks. Oh, do they come as a set of 2 this year? They do come as a set of 2 for $6.99. The blue with the orange pumpkins and the orange. I'm struggling with the white pumpkins. So does this come in a set of two? It does. Happy Harvest and Happy Harvest. Now, why would they say the same thing? Did these not sell well last year? Last thing I'm seeing, sorry for the pause, I'm looking at these bins to see if there's anything new. And I don't think so yet. But this tractor that says Happy Fall, it has a hook so you could put it up on your door. Good quality, honestly. $15.99. Oh no, there's something I missed. We are not done. Do not fret, my friends, my little pumpkin people. These are new also. Welcome Autumn for $8.99. It says Welcome Autumn on the second one as well for some reason. And Happy Fall on the sunflower. I guess you could get like one of each, including the pumpkin, and make a garland or use them as ornaments or something, or split them with a friend. So that's what I am seeing here this time. Showed all of this in my last video. Let me know if you guys have found anything at Hobby Lobby, and I will catch you in a future video. Bye now.